Trapped in brawlers, whether you're a seasoned fighter or a greenhorn just stepping into the fray, understanding the unwritten rules of Brawl Stars can make the difference between dominating the battlefield and getting buried in the dust. In this video, I am going to show you 8 unwritten rules of Brawl Stars that every brawler should know. Number 1 rule is to don't spin to team. Spinning is considered bad manners if you're using it to team up in solo showdowns. Number 2 is to avoid auto-aiming. Try not to rely too much on auto-aim, especially with long-range brawlers. Number 3. Avoid spawn camping. Don't camp at enemy spawns in heist mode. Number 4 on the list is a very important unwritten rule that every brawler should take note of. In duo showdown, share power cubes with your teammate instead of taking them all for yourself. Power cubes will allow you and your teammate to level up during showdown matches, so make sure that you share power cubes that you get from battling with other teams on showdown to be able to have the same amount of energy with your teammate. The 5th unwritten rule is to don't ignore team comp. Be mindful of team composition during team modes to balance the strengths and weaknesses. Next on our list is to stay close to healers. Stick close to your team's healer to maximize their effectiveness. Now let's proceed with respecting gadget and star power usage. Use gadgets and star power strategically instead of spamming them. And the last unwritten rule that every brawler should know is to play fair. Avoid exploiting glitches or using unfair tactics to win during matches on Brawl Stars. These tips should help you improve your gameplay and enjoy the game more. If you have more unwritten rule to add to this list, don't be shy to comment them down below. We hope you enjoyed watching and listening to this video, and we'll see you on our next video.